Starting to get control of the wiring harness now, the Italian spaghetti. So yeah, here you can see I have tried to figure out where all the wires are going. It's a small car, not too much electric stuff, but as you can see, enough wires anyhow. Hooked up a new turn signal switch, and I think all the wires goes the right way now. So next task is to wire up some lights and see if it works. Right, now the rear lights are on. I have hooked them up. I have hooked on the battery. So now it's time to see if it works. Let's see. Let's see here. On with the ignition first. Okay. You can see the charging lamp and fuel, of course. Let's put on park light. Let's see. Something happens in front here. Ah, yeah. Sweet. Driving lights. Sweet. Full beam. Oh, yeah. Sweet. With... No. Not with this lamp. I haven't hooked it up yet, I think. Nope. Right, let's check the back. Yeah. Sweet. And brake light. Ah, yeah. Sweet. Now, only the turn signal stuff left, I think. Let's see. Fog light. That's good. Nope. Reversing light. Ah, yeah. Sweet. What's wrong with the fog light? Ah, there you go. Right, now all the electrics works, like all the lights, horn, and window wiper. So yeah, over to the next task, that is the brakes. More of that next episode. See you soon.